The first step to heat press CAD-CUT Chroma Bling heat transfer vinyl is to load your garment onto the press, ensuring your print area is flat. With a flat print area, I can set up my time, temperature, and pressure. CAD-CUT Chroma Bling applies at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and it applies for 10 seconds. I'm also programming a preheat of 5 seconds to ensure my garment is ready to receive the transfer. With these settings set up, I'm now ready to set up the pressure. Chroma Bling requires a medium pressure, which is a 4, 5, or 6 on our digital control board. When I lock the machine down, it reads a 5 pressure, which is perfect for this application. If I need to adjust the pressure, I can do so with my over-center pressure adjustment knob. With the pressure set, my time set, my temperature set, I'm ready to complete the preheat for 5 seconds. One important note when working with CAD-CUT Chroma Bling, it's a semi-transparent material. So you may want to have a lint roller handy to make sure that there's nothing on your garment that's going to show through the product. Position your design. Cover it with a cover sheet. And lock your press down for the recommended time. CAD-CUT Chroma Bling is a warm peel that tends to peel on the cooler side of warm. So I usually like to remove my garment from the press and peel it off of the press in just a few minutes. Once the design is cooled down, grab from the corner and peel at a 45-degree angle to reveal your result. To show the uniqueness of Chroma Bling, I'm also going to complete an application onto a white garment. Again, I'll follow the same steps of getting my garment flat, conducting the preheat at the required temperature and time, positioning my design, covering with a cover sheet, and then completing the application. Again, Chroma Bling is a warm peel. I'm going to remove it from the press and peel it after it's cooled down for just a few minutes. Let's take a look at how that compares on the white garment.